Hey everybody, Mackenzie here, bringing you tips for how to start staking your cryptocurrency on NDAX. Staking is a popular way to make your cryptocurrency work for you by earning a yield on crypto that's otherwise just being held on an exchange. NDAX simplifies this staking process down to a couple of simple steps to take all of the work out of it for you. And just a heads up, this video is sponsored by NDAX, which is a cryptocurrency trading platform based out of Canada. There are a few steps to get through and a few key pieces of information to know before you're ready to start staking your cryptocurrency and earn a passive income. First up, what is staking? Then, how do I sign up and buy crypto on NDAX? And lastly, how do I stake my cryptocurrency on NDAX? But before we dive in on how to stake on NDAX, please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor and I encourage you to do your own research and due diligence to determine if staking is right for you. Staking is when you lock up your cryptocurrencies on the blockchain to earn rewards. Cryptocurrencies that can be staked double as votes for making decisions on the network. Therefore, by locking up your cryptocurrency, or staking, you are securing the network and taking on a role in governance. Your reward for doing this, in most cases, is more of that cryptocurrency. Staking rewards are almost always paid out in the cryptocurrency that you're staking. This means that if you're staking ADA, you'll earn more ADA. You can earn up to 12% APY by staking on NDAX, but keep in mind that the rates vary by coin and are subject to change. Right now, 3 cryptocurrencies can be staked on NDAX. That's Ether, or ETH, Polkadot, or DOT, and Cardano, or ADA. Right now, you can earn 12% on DOT, 4.8% on ADA, and 5% on ETH. Just check out the NDAX site for its current APYs. These cryptocurrencies can either be bought on NDAX and then used for staking, or if you already own these cryptocurrencies, you can just deposit them into NDAX. NDAX simplifies the process of staking by taking out any of the technical complexities. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit or purchase the cryptocurrency, and then stake it. But before you purchase or deposit any cryptocurrency, it's a good idea to get an expectation of how much you can earn through staking. NDAX has built a handy staking calculator that can approximate the rewards that you might earn. Keep in mind though that the expected returns shown on NDAX can change over time. Step 1, log into your NDAX account or register for a new one. Step 2, you'll need to buy the desired amount of the coin that you wish to stake or transfer cryptocurrency held elsewhere into your NDAX account. Canadian dollars can be deposited into NDAX in one of 3 ways: an Interact e-transfer, a bank draft, or a wire transfer. Once your funds have arrived, you're free to use them to purchase cryptocurrency. If you're depositing cryptocurrency, simply set up a deposit address for that cryptocurrency and then send the funds through to that address. Then head back to your dashboard on NDAX, click on the coin that you wish to stake, and then click Stake Coin. Once you've staked your coin for the desired amount of time, simply head back to the Staking tab to unstake your coin. It's that easy. NDAX has no fees for either Canadian dollar deposits or cryptocurrency deposits. However, you will pay fees when you buy or sell crypto, withdraw crypto, or withdraw your funds back out in Canadian dollars. What are the risks with staking? Unlike keeping your money in a bank savings account, which is essentially risk-free, there are some risks to staking. Just like when you buy and sell crypto, you can take a loss. For example, if you were staking a coin and earning 5% APY, but then the coin's value dropped to 50% of the value that it was when you originally staked it, you would ultimately be at a loss. Do I have to pay taxes on staking rewards? Yes. Staking rewards must be claimed as income on your tax returns. If you sell your rewards after receiving them, then you must calculate and pay capital gains or losses. Is NDAX a safe platform to use? Yes. So NDAX holds $5 million on its cold wallets, which covers internal theft and hardware security module or HSM malfunction, plus $3 million in insurance per instance on its cold wallets, and 5 million Canadian dollars in general business liability. Additionally, NDAX is compliant with FinTrack regulations and AML protocols. So there you have it. Staking can help your digital assets work harder for you. And if you're interested in learning about other ways that Canadians can passively earn crypto, check out our guide all about it on Finder, which I have linked in the description box below. Share some tips of your own in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about NDAX, the sponsor of this video, check out our review at finder.com, which I've also linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button below so that you are notified every time we publish a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.